So I was recently talking to someone, and that person said to me, I was just talking about his relationship, like what's going on in his life. And he said that he is not ready for a relationship, which I completely understand. Like, there could be many reasons why someone does not want to date. But what he said after really, really bothered me. He said that I still haven't got my therapy done, so I don't think I'm ready for a relationship. In that moment I felt a lot of compassion for that person ki okay, it's good that he has that understanding that to be in a relationship you really need to work on yourself, but in what order. When I thought about the way we are looking at therapy as if uh, it's it is a fix, like there's something broken in us, and if we get therapy then it will be fixed and you would be ready for a relationship. And I was just talking to this person, and then I said to him, like do you see what is the reason for therapy? Because therapy is not going to fix anything in you. Therapy has only one agenda, so that you have a better relationship with yourself. So I went to a therapist when I was in India last year, and this is what I realized, like talking to someone or getting someone's help is not that person has the key to fix you, or that person will do something or will give you some medication and you will be healed. It is all about the relationship you have with yourself, the way you are always micromanaging, self doubting, and the way you always belittle yourself, judge yourself. When you are in therapy, you get an answer for why you have been doing that to yourself, and then you build a better relationship with yourself. That is the only reason of therapy. So if someone is telling you otherwise, that person is just fooling you, and that person is just keeping you in a trap. And trust me, there was a phase in my life where I was under the same trap, that I need to be fixed. Something is wrong with me, and I think another therapy session would help me. Another podcast will help me. And I realized it is not about helping me, it is about building a relationship with myself. These tools can be helpful to make a better relationship with myself. But at the end, if I'm looking at myself as something to be fixed, then I'm starting on a wrong note. So, my agenda of this video is just to let you know these videos, anything which you are doing in the name of self help, or like anything like reading a book, getting therapy sessions, or watching some content on YouTube, the only reason you should be doing that is to build a better relationship with yourself, get